5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your usefulness has ended. Astral break!
To X, range of spell positions.
The heavens fall!
Feet and beams.
The future in fire!
Order that dispel.
Dispel.
Right under the boss.
Grasping snarl!
Alright, you can get yourself up when you're safe. Rebuff the raid.
Astral break!
The diamond.
Grasping snarl!
Beam from the left. Personal when you get out. Watch your feet. Range of spell positions. Feathers out. Right under the boss.
Dispel.
Gate out. Watch the beams. Push back now.
Answers to me!
Who was doing the circle around the orb?
It was me. Why were you up there?
You were taking too long, bro.
I would have gotten it.
You were taking too long, so Aslith wanted to see what was going on. Was curious, man.
I go up and I see him circling it.
Target needs
It's
or
funny as fuck.
evoker buff.
I just look up because I'm not really doing anything right there. That's why.
Blazing sky!
I was so confused. Who the fuck is this?
Get battle shout.
Moving back. Watch your feet. Stars next. Range of spell positions.
The heavens fall!
Watch your feet.
You're in
Dispel 1 now. I'm 4.
Dispel.
Feathers. Right under the boss.
grasping snarl! Breathing destruction!
Seeds. Dispel positions. I'm 4.
Dispel.
Falling stars is the next mechanic.
Heavens fall!
Then back to the boss. Seeds. Spells get out. I'm 3.
Dispel.
Feathers right under the boss.
Grasping snarl!
Watch our spacing here. Seeds after this. Watch your health.
Raging squall!
Thank you to whoever saved me. Holy shit.
I got you.
Dude, I was fucking shook.
Yeah, I was spamming the healing surge randomly, so.
Thanks,
Got
Nova.
Serenities
I love
just
you.
for that.
Oh, I was spamming it on myself. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Yeah, no, I think I Serenity.
Alright, stack up.
Blazing sky!
Hollis delayed. I might be low coming in here.
I have a Serenity.
Maybe the real Serenity is the friends we made along the way.
Oh, like the One Piece.
Alright, it's gonna go stars, feathers, and then in for roots. Dodge. Feathers. In for roots. Make it look pretty. Dodge. Look for those seeds. Range the spell positions.
Watch the fire.
I'm 3.
Dispel.
Falling stars, watch your feet. Feathers. Raid in. Seeds after this. Back in. Really watch our spacing on this. Make it look really good.
Bend freedom.
If you get the dispel personal and break yourself out.
Dispel.
Watch your feet. Outer res the mage. Feathers, roots, in, rebuff. She needs at least stamina. Watch our spacing here. See, dispels and seeds after this. A lot of seeds in front of the boss. Dispels out.
Dispel.
We're gonna DPS plot. If you're in danger, you're gonna self-break. Wait for the DPS to happen. CDs, self-breaks if you need it. Front. Do the feathers here, and then into roots. Feathers. See, roots, get in. Watch the spacing. Then dispels against the wall after the seeds. Dispel positions, pump these guys, pump these guys. Do not let them die.
Dispel.
Personals if you have any left. Battle res sword. Pump the fucking boss, fuck everything.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
The draconic
Good job,
special.
everyone.
Fuck yeah,
Oh,
baby.
Fucking good.
Oh.
That felt good.